Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So obviously you already read the description and I'll be filming a quick eyebrow tutorial today. So I'm actually going to clean out my brows. I'm going to fill them in with a pencil, gel, and concealer. So stay tuned. First I'm actually going to brush my eyebrows up. Then I'm going to take the razor, hold my brow up, and just clean it.
Then we'll brush it downwards.
I'm gonna brush that away. Then I'm gonna brush it back up. Then I'm gonna take the scissors. I'm gonna brush it downwards. Just clip the excess. Gonna do the same here. Brush it upwards. Because I raised my brows, I'm going to take some of this aloe vera gel and just apply it over my brows. I'm going to let that set in, and then once it's set in and dried, I'm going to apply my brows. So I know my eyebrows look really thick right now, but when I clean it up with concealer, it's going to clean my brows up. I'm actually going to use this concealer brush and the NARS concealer pot in the color medium dark 2 caramel. And I'm going to actually start with outlining the bottom of my brows. Now I'm going to go back in with my spoolie and brush my brows out. To set my brows, I'm actually going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills eyebrow gel. And to blend out my concealer around my brows, I'm going to use this brush here. Just go in. So I want to add a little bit of highlight to my brows. So I'm actually going to go back in with the Fit Me concealer in the color medium, number 25. I'm just going to apply that right here on the arch of my brows. I'm gonna go back in with the same fluffy brush and just blend that out. And there you have it, a quick eye look. It's natural.